Those disassembly drones sure made a mess. Pretty big security risk in hindsight. You got this. Ladderbot 5000? Can you at least please leave the light on? Yo! Ladderbot 5000? We looked everywhere for you.
Hello, Ben. Care to join me?
Join you standing eerily still over there in suspiciously low resolution?
Yes.
Alright.
Flawless character acting, me. Improv gig for more practice. We really are a monster.